Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Hold onto your hats as we journey through December 9th's most astonishing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events from the past. From groundbreaking premieres to iconic birthdays, we've got 20 mind-blowing facts that will entertain and surprise you. So, get comfy, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this thrilling ride through time. Number 20. On December 9, 1960, Coronation Street first aired on British TV, becoming the world's longest-running soap opera. It introduced us to iconic characters, proving that drama really does live on the cobbled streets. Number 19. On December 9, 1965, A Charlie Brown Christmas premiered on CBS, bringing Charles M. Schulz's beloved Peanuts characters to life and redefining holiday specials with its heartfelt message and jazzy soundtrack. Number 18. On December 9, 1983, Scarface, starring Al Pacino, was released in the US, giving us the iconic line, "Say hello to my little friend," and a timeless tale of ambition and excess. Number 17. On December 9, 1988, Twins, starring Arnold Schwarzenegger and Danny DeVito, was released, proving that genetics can be hilarious and that opposites really do attract in comedy gold. Number 16. On December 9, 1977, Saturday Night Fever premiered in Los Angeles, making John Travolta a disco icon and prompting us all to strut down the street to the Bee Gees. Number 15. On December 9, 1974, George Harrison released his album, Dark Horse, showcasing his musical prowess post-Beatles and reminding us that he was far from being just the quiet one. Number 14. On December 9, 2016, La La Land had its limited US release, enchanting audiences with its modern take on classic musicals and making us all want to dance among the stars. Number 13. On December 9, 1967, Jim Morrison of The Doors was arrested on stage in New Haven, becoming the first rock star ever taken into custody during a performance. Talk about breaking on through. Number 12. On December 9, 2005, Brokeback Mountain was released in the US, breaking barriers and hearts with its poignant portrayal of forbidden love between two cowboys. Number 11. On December 9, 1978, Superman, the movie, premiered in Washington, D.C., making us believe a man could fly and setting the standard for superhero films to come. Number 10. Dame Judi Dench was born on December 9, 1934. Turning 90 on December 9, 2024, she's still reigning supreme in acting, proving that age is just a number for a true queen. Number 9. John Malkovich, born December 9, 1953, will turn 71 in 2024. Known for his intense roles, he's still captivating us, even when we're being John Malkovich. Number 8. Donny Osmond was born on December 9, 1957. Turning 67 in 2024, he's still a little bit rock and roll, charming fans with his enduring talent and smile. Number 7. Simon Helberg, born December 9, 1980, will be 44 in 2024. Best known as Howard Wolowitz on The Big Bang Theory, he's still making us laugh to infinity and beyond. Number 6. Felicity Huffman was born on December 9, 1962. She'll be 62 in 2024, continuing her acting journey and showing us that desperate housewives have lasting appeal. Number 5. Michaela Maroney, born December 9, 1995, turns 29 in 2024. The Olympic gymnast who wasn't impressed has impressed us all with her vaulting skills and meme-worthy expressions. Number 4. Lori Greiner, born December 9, 1969, will be 55 in 2024. The Queen of QVC and Shark Tank investor continues to dive into new ventures, proving she's the real deal. Number 3. Jakob Dylan, born December 9, 1969, also turns 55 in 2024. The Wallflowers frontman is still bringing down the horse and following in his father Bob Dylan's legendary footsteps. Number 2. On December 9, 1965, Thunderball premiered in Tokyo, with Sean Connery as James Bond, thrilling audiences worldwide and setting the standard for spy adventures. Number 1. Kirk Douglas was born on December 9, 1916, and passed away at 103 on February 5, 2020. The Hollywood legend starred in classics like Spartacus, embodying the golden age of cinema. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of December 9th's most fascinating celebrity moments. If you loved these intriguing tidbits, smash that like button and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Celebrities in History for more captivating stories that bring the past to life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more history to uncover.